I can't believe I'm finally here! Tap the left or right arrow button to walk around. Let's stand under that coin. Then tap the jump button to jump and collect it. Hold the button down longer to jump higher. Tap the jump button and the right arrow button at the same time to jump up to the right. Jump up through the platform. Whoa! A magical spell page! Make sure to collect it. Got it! Collect 2 more to learn a new spell. Jump over the fire. It's hot. Ouch! Ouch! We just learned the move spell. Tap on a table to slide it left or right. Tap on a bookcase to raise it or lower it. Hey, a table! Tap it to slide it to a better place. Mobilius! A bookcase. Tap to move it up and out of the way. My classroom. I can't wait to see all my friends.